In this video, I'm going to share the real deal on preparing your site for concrete pouring so your project comes out strong, smooth, and lasts forever. Alright, first things first, you gotta clear all the debris like rocks, roots, and trash from the area where you want that concrete to go. It sounds basic, but trust me, any leftover junk can mess up your pour big time. After that, leveling the ground is key. Use a rake or shovel to get it nice and flat because uneven ground means uneven concrete, and nobody wants that. Next up is compacting the soil. This step is all about making sure the ground won't shift under your slab. You can rent a plate compactor or just stomp on it like you're doing your own workout. Then, you'll want to set up your forms. That's like the mold for your concrete. Make sure they're straight, sturdy, and exactly where you want your edges. Moisture control is huge too. Wet soil can cause cracks later, so if it's too damp, let it dry a bit or add a vapor barrier if you're worried about water coming up from underneath. Also, don't forget to double check the slope for drainage. You want water to run off and not pool up on your new concrete. Lastly, give everything one last look before you pour to avoid surprises that could mess up your whole project. One of the biggest mistakes I see is skipping soil compaction because people think it's extra work when it really prevents sinking and cracking later on. Another common issue is not setting the forms properly. If those forms move during the pour, you'll end up with crooked edges and wasted materials. And lastly, ignoring moisture levels can lead to weak concrete, too much water in the soil, or mix compromises strength and durability, so keep an eye on that. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch if you're looking to connect with local contractors who know exactly how to handle this kind of prep work without cutting corners. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid spot to find homeowners needing help with stuff like site prep and concrete pouring.